Good morning, guys. I traveled quite the ways. Well, I haven't even gotten there yet. To go to a Dollar Tree I've never been to before. All right, there she is. We're gonna go in. I have several things I'm looking for. Let's see if we can score some of the new viral products that are going around. Wait, what are these? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's start over here. Okay, I pretty much got all this. Oh, cute, but I've hauled that before. These are back. I love these. They're so cute. Wait, what? They have these out at like Hobby Lobby. That's actually so adorable. Okay, why do I want that? Wall neon signs? My favorite section currently at Dollar Tree is the 4th of July. I'm trying to find the star picks. Not those. It's actually really cute. Okay, I always have to run to this section the moment I get here, so let's see what beauty stuff is out. Wow. Wine cooler. What? That's crazy. I'm gonna get that. Look, they got fridge storage bins for like, oh my gosh. That's actually crazy. Okay, these are really cute. They're like little mini bottles. Wow. That's actually kind of cool. This is so cute. Decisions are the worst. That's fun. I guess that's funny. I don't know. Alright, unfortunately, I had to hobble myself out of there. I couldn't even go through all the aisles. I did go to my chiropractor yesterday, and they gave me an interesting, it's in my purse, they gave me an interesting little piece of paper. They rolled this thing on my back that like showed nerve flow or something, like where pain points are. I don't know, but ironically the the lumbar part of my back seemed fine, and all the red areas were around my neck, and then some areas in my mid back, but she basically said that when they roll that over me again, because they're obviously going to concentrate here, it could be like, I don't know, I really don't know everything that she said, but that they'll roll that thing over my back again and it could start to show more down here. But yeah, I mean, I wish I could tell y'all that she snapped, crackled, and popped me back into place, but it's just gonna take time. It's only when I stand, obviously something's compressing really hard on the nerve. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, and then she didn't manually, is what she called it, she didn't manually like adjust me. She used this like tool with a this like silver looking tool that has like a torque or something, and so it like she did that, but she manually adjusted me on my mid back, like with her own hands, and then like there was a bunch of cracks. But I found it weird that she didn't like pull on my legs and adjust them, or I don't even know, y'all. I don't know, but I just have to believe she knows what she's doing, so we'll see. Anyways, enough on my sciatic nerve, as if you didn't get enough in the video before this. This was a Dollar Tree that's pretty far from me. It's like 45 minutes away. And it was definitely worth it. I saw things that I have not seen in my stores in my area, but there are some viral things I'm trying to find. There's like a camera looking, I don't even know what it is technically. Is it like where you drink out of it, kind of like the ice cream cones? I don't even know, but I'm trying to find it. Have not yet to find it, but let me do this haul and show you guys what I did pick up. Let me find my receipt. I spent $46.25. Everything was $1.25. So the first things that I think blew my mind were these stacking bins. They have the tool bench line, so it's like, you know, garage type stuff. But look how cute that is. I mean, black is a good color to organize with, so it doesn't have to just be like for the guys or for the garage. And apparently you can stack them. I don't know exactly how that works, if I'm being honest, but I don't know. But apparently they're stackable, and then you can put all like your little things in here. So there's that. Then I picked up these. I don't know if you guys have seen the new trend on the bandana necklaces with charms on it, so I definitely want to give it a try. If I can throw up a picture, I'll try. But basically, you roll up the bandana, and actually you have to even cut parts of it off because it'll be too much material. But you roll it really tight, and then you attach charms to it, and then you kind of like wear it around your neck, which I thought was such a cute DIY. So I definitely want to do that. And I got these two colors, and then I also got these for like 4th of July. I thought that would be really cute. Do you remember when I hauled this and I was like, I don't get the shape of it? I didn't even notice that it was a football, for starters. Because when I went to this store, I found the other two and I was like, oh, it's a football. Now that makes sense. So I found the coconut scented bath fizzer, and people are staring at me as they drive by. I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. Hey, how you doing? Hi. So this one's a baseball and this one is a basketball. Now this one makes sense. I think, did I even say it looked like a football? Because it was. Then these cute new little hair clips came out. I'm actually going to use them in my junk journal as like little like clip-ons and charms. Then I found these two. I've never seen them before, and the packaging is really interesting. Very like pharmaceutical, you know, with the ingredients and stuff. I don't know. So Twisted Sista Urban Therapy, Wellness and Therapy. This is a hydrating treatment conditioning mask and a sculpt and style cream for your hair and scalp. So those are some new finds. Okay, let me just kind of get myself organized. I brought Loki in the car with me for a ride, and I put this up, and it got me in my feels so bad because, you know, the last time a dog was in here was Loxie, and I had this up when I took her to Lubbock to go see Micah. If y'all remember that whole thing, that's when Loxie took a turn, and that's when we took her to the vet there, and he was fantastic. And it made me sick to my stomach, not to dive off, but it made me sick to my stomach to see the comparison between that vet and Loxie's actual vet, which if you'd follow me forever, you know I've made several complaints about this guy. And it just makes me sick to my stomach that I never changed her vet. You know, like this guy, he just told me Loxie had cancer and we could put her down today. And I was like, aren't you just a walk in the park? And he never offered steroids. He didn't offer anything. And this guy in Lubbock was so, like, he loved animals. Like, I could just tell. and he actually showed me Loxie's x-rays. I hadn't seen any of that before, and he explained everything to me that this other vet, her original vet, like couldn't even tell me, and that just makes me so sad. But anyways, he gave Loxie a steroid, and Loxie did pretty good for, I don't know, it was like a week or so. But anyways, this just like, I actually forgot that I had this. I was going through this car, the trunk, when I had packed everything for Florida, the trunk was still packed. It had like Christmas blankets and Christmas pillows, and this was underneath all that. And I saw it and I busted out crying. Okay, so thank you for the therapy session. Then you guys saw these. I mean, these are amazing. I love the size of them. I just love small, tiny little things. And yeah, super cute. I like the little coffee thing going on. So there's that. Then you obviously saw that I found this stackable wine bottle holder. Hello, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to see at Dollar Tree. I was shocked that it was $1.25, so that's really good. I don't drink wine, and if I do, I don't know, do you put it in the refrigerator? Do you put red wine? I don't even know. Don't ask me. But I thought maybe for something else in the fridge, like a different drink kind of thing. Okay, then I found these in the teaching tree section. These are magnetic whiteboard erasers, and they're magnetic, so they're just gonna attach. And I think that's so adorable. I've never seen these before. And don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. Stop it. Stop looking at me like that. You knew it was gonna happen. You knew. So I got that. That's probably gonna be in my thumbnail. Okay, then I did get myself some treats. I've been on a Reese's kick like you wouldn't believe. And then I saw my Coke in the little refrigerator section on a different aisle, and I was standing in the line. I couldn't even get myself to walk over there to get a drink. That's how bad my nerve was just standing there. Like I was like having a hard time breathing. That sounds dramatic because it is, but it's the truth. Okay, then I found some new candies for the kids. Look how cute. I don't have kids. I mean, I have one, but she's 24. She doesn't eat this kind of stuff. But these are little magic potion drinks. And then this is like a fizzy candy drop, like you put it in the drink. So make sure that when you get them, you have this little thing around the neck, because I think it just like adds to it. But you can see here, like you pop it in there and it makes it a fizzy little drink. That's so cute. It makes me want to watch Flubber with Robin Williams. I don't know why. Then I found these, also shocked they rang up $1.25. Trident did a little collab with Sour Patch Kids. What? Love that. So this is blue raspberry and this is red berry. I love the red and blue too. Ooh, I'm gonna have to go back and get more because I want these for myself, but then I want them for a 4th of July gift basket. I've been kind of like, you know, collecting things here and there. This is blue too. I love that. Okay, then I found some new face masks. Look how great these are. This one takes the cake, no pun intended, but I've never seen like a birthday celebrate you face mask. This is vanilla scented, so, and then this one is just so chic. I love it. It's kind of like, this mask reminds me of something I think I would see at Target, so I love that. And then I actually got some stickers today. I just haven't felt the vibe with the stickers lately, and I picked these up. So there's that, and that is my haul. I actually went to another Dollar Tree right around the corner, but I'm gonna save that for probably tomorrow's video. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for coming in with me, for being my therapist, for being my internet friends, and just keeping me company. Sometimes when I go in and film, I feel kind of like, I don't know, weird, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Wait, I forgot that I got the black candle snuffer. So I thought that was just really chic. So I went ahead and got this one too. Anyways, now that's it. I'll see you later. Bye.